Welcome to Malhotra and Associates Agency. We are an independent insurance agency representing the top insurance companies in the country. We represent Nationwide, Allstate, Grange, Progressive, Travelers, and many other carriers. Today we're going to take you through the homeowners insurance policy so you understand the different coverages and requirements for homeowners insurance. Most of us spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to purchase a home. Homeowners insurance protects our biggest investment. In order to get a mortgage, you must have homeowners insurance. And the reason is because in the event of a major loss, it could cost tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars to repair your property. And a homeowners insurance policy will allow you to have your home repaired, and all you have to pay is your deductible. So if your deductible is $1,000, that's the maximum you're going to be out. And mortgage companies require you to have a homeowner's policy because they know that if, let's say your home caught on fire and burned down to the ground, there would be a homeowner's insurance company to pay to rebuild your home. And you would not be out of pocket hundreds of thousands of dollars. So homeowners insurance is extremely important. And it's important that as a consumer, as a homeowner, that you know what is included in a homeowner's policy so you can make informed decisions. Because remember, it's not just about the price, but the coverages, so that when you have a claim, you are well protected. There was one day a windstorm came through my neighborhood. About 3 blocks over from me, there was a house that had like 100-year-old tree. It was huge. And within that 10-minute windstorm, this tree fell dead center on the home. Dead center. The homeowner's insurance company paid out over $200,000 to remove the tree, rebuild the home, house the homeowners in a different property for 6 months as that home was rebuilt. And the homeowners paid $1,000 deductible. That's why you need homeowners insurance. And that's why I was thankful that day that there was homeowners insurance and re-looked over my homeowners policy to make sure I had all of the coverage needed to cover me in the event of a major loss like that. Let me take you through a standard homeowners insurance policy. So standard coverages include dwelling. So dwelling is the cost to rebuild your home. So most insurance companies, standard insurance companies, they look at reconstruction costs versus market value. So reconstruction cost is based on what it would cost to rebuild your home new today based on today's building costs. Okay, that's dwelling. Then you also have other structures. Other structures are detached structures, like a swimming pool, or if you have a detached garage or a gazebo, fences, things like that are covered under other structures. Then you have personal property. Personal property are all your belongings. So your washer and dryer, refrigerator, clothing, computers, TVs, lawnmower, etc. Those are personal property. Then we include personal liability. So personal liability is, let's say someone came on your property and they were injured and you were held negligent. Then personal liability applies. It also includes dog bites. So that is covered under personal liability. Then loss of use. Loss of use is a coverage where, let's say, for example, you had a claim. And during that claim, you had to move out of the home and you had to rent another property. So loss of use covers the incremental costs while you have to live somewhere else while your home is being repaired due to a covered claim. So the cost to rent the property maybe include, you have an additional utility bill, food, etc. Things like that will come under loss of use. So those are your standard coverages in a homeowner's policy. Now, there are also optional coverages, which are often referred to as endorsements, like earthquake. So you could get earthquake insurance. So in the event of an earthquake, you would have coverage. Also, some carriers, they carry sewer and sump pump water backup. That's a very important one because that is an endorsement that is specific to water entering the home due to the sump pump stops working and the water backs up into the home, or if water enters through the sewer drain. So that is the sewer water backup endorsements. Then you also have personal injury liability is also often offered, which means that in the event that you are sued for slander, you could have coverage that way. Identity theft has become more and more popular. That is something that could be added to an insurance policy as an endorsement. So each carrier have different endorsements they offer that are optional. And so it's important to have a clear understanding of what those endorsements are so that you can customize your policy to meet all of your needs. And as an insurance agent, as a personal insurance agent, we want to make sure that you are educated on your coverages so you make an informed decision. Because we always want to make sure that if you have a claim, we can say that you are covered. Thank you for choosing Malhotra and Associates Insurance Agency. Please click the Request a Quote button above to get a quote started, or if you would like for us to review your current insurance policy to make sure that you're getting the best coverages at the lowest price. Just click the button and one of our licensed insurance agents will reach out to you shortly. Have a great day.